There's breaking news just coming in. The government is pressing dual-track approach with China. Highly placed sources in the Modi government have indicated a firm resolve when it comes to guarding national security. Prime Minister Modi's visit in Leh and his address to the troops stationed there was a firm indication of the determination to safeguard India's territorial integrity. On the other hand, the government has been pursuing a policy of serious bilateral engagement, both diplomatically and militarily. The disengagement of frontline seen in different parts of the line of actual control is a result of the dual-track approach being deployed by the government. That's the big story we're tracking at the moment. Gaurav Sawant, who's breaking the story, is now joining us for the very latest on this. Gaurav, if you could just tell us a little more about the dual-track approach that the government is engaging with China. And, you know, interestingly, today itself we reported the breaking story as how the PLA troops have pulled back in the Pangong-So-Phingapore area, and there's been a pullback in the Galwan Valley as well.
You're absolutely right. The government is adopting a dual track when it comes to engaging with China. The Prime Minister is very clear. India will not compromise with territorial integrity, and that is where the troops are deployed very extensively along the entire 840-kilometer long line of actual control in Ladakh, including the fact that on the 15th of June, our troops clashed with the Chinese when they refused to step back on the other side of Petrol Point 14. So that is India's very strong resolve that China cannot continue with its salami slicing that it did earlier. That's a strong message. At the same time, banning Chinese apps, removing them from 4G upgradation, or removing them from road transport upgradation, all of that, which would have been mutually beneficial both for India and for China. India sending out a message that we will not compromise with national security. At the same time, India remains engaged with China at the diplomatic level to find a resolution to the current situation, given the fact that China also claims that it wants to resolve this issue amicably. So that is why at the military level, you have the corps commanders who are regularly in touch. You have the foreign secretaries in touch. You have joint secretaries in touch. And, Wang Yi, the Chinese state councillor for foreign affairs, and of course, Ambassador Jaishankar, India's foreign minister, they've also been in touch with each other. So it's a twin-pronged strategy to get the Chinese to get back on the other side of the line of actual control, Jesse.
All right, Gaurav Sawant getting us those details and breaking the story first on India Today. Exclusive details that are being broken right here on India Today. Gaurav, continue to stay with us right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.